Everyone, how are we doing today? Let's go. It's your girl Lena over here. You're almost welcome. Good to have you. Good to have you for today's session. I am definitely trading. I'm trading binary options. Okay, and I am on Pocket Option platform. All right. Gold OTC chat. Excuse me, Gold OTC chat. That is the one that you are seeing just in front of you over there. Okay, so straight, let us dive into it and we see what we are going to have today. How have you guys been? Let me hope you have carried out some trading. Actually, if you have noticed this week, been on and off. I've just been having some health issues here and there, but I feel so energized and I feel so fresh. Let's go. Okay, raising my amount to 500. So let us get started. We have started off in an uptrend, as you see over there. Definitely a buy position. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. So let us keep it going. Hi, Raphael. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, Raphael? Good to have you. Good to have you, Trevor. What's up? What's up? I miss you too. I miss you guys. I miss you so much. So I've been on and off, on and off. But I believe for the new week that is starting, I'm going to be on point. I'm going to be on point. I hate it so much when we miss our sessions because this is an amazing family that I have here. I love you guys so much. You make life meaningful. Okay, so definitely that is on my end. Fill me in. How have you been? How is everything going on your end? Let me know, let me know, let me know, guys. Eh. Oh. Hi, Marady. Hi, Marady. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Hope all is well on your end over there. Over here, your girl Lena is doing amazing. I'm doing okay now. I know I've been on and off ever since this week started, but I believe for the very best, like you know me. I'm always a positive person and I always definitely believe that everything is going to be okay. Everything has to be okay. We keep positive, we keep coming into the market, we keep trading, we keep winning. The losses will be there. I cannot forget that. But what is most important is for us to be consistent, is for us to keep showing up almost each and every single day. So when you are unable to, like it has been for me, it's understandable, all right? But for as long as you are okay, just keep showing up each and every single day. Every day makes a difference. Every day is so meaningful in the market. You know what? Whenever you come into the market and you look at your charts over there, there is always that one thing that you are going to learn. There is always that one thing that is going to be added on to you. Do you know that Even if you have not traded, but you keep coming through, watching your chats, there are certain things that even someone who is teaching you how to trade, or your tutor, or anyone who is trying to help you come up, there are certain things that they might not tell you. But as you keep showing up, as you keep watching your chats, there are certain important details that you might actually understand on your own, minus anyone telling you how to do it. Okay, so watching your chat, consistency, very, very important. That is the one thing that is a key point that I keep telling you people. Just keep coming and watching your chats. For people who are still learning, I don't know how far you've gone, but keep learning, keep learning. Over time, when we are beginning, we always collect all sorts of information, all the information that we believe will do something for us. But as you become better in your trading, no one needs to tell you that, you know what, this strategy is going to be better. You have understood this strategy better than the other one. It's you, because you have invested in your time, you have understood exactly what is going on, you have a number of strategies lined up that you're using, and then you have different ways you are using these different strategies. So definitely, over time, you definitely know exactly what to do. You know what to do and how best to go about it. All right. So at some point, you find that there are certain things that no one needs to tell you about, but you find yourself, because you're always showing up, you're always on your chats, things become better. Trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me. Okay, guys, what's up, what's up, what's up? Let me hear from you. Thank you, thank you. Sue John, what's up? Mason is in building. Hi, Mason. What's up, what's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Mamunor, what's up, what's up? Okay, I'm saying, guys, okay. Let's go. Guys, you're almost welcome. I'm so excited to be here with you. Our session officially opened 15 minutes ago, and you guys have definitely kept your time. We are all in here. We are definitely going to nail it today. I do not know how it's going to be, but whenever I come on here, whenever I come live, I'm always positive because I know definitely something good has to come out of it. So fill me in. Has anyone carried out some trading? Are you guys watching your chats? Tell me. Let me know what you would love to know about. Then we proceed together. Prono, what's up? Hi, Prono. How are you doing, guys? How is your weekend? Let me know. Let me know how is your weekend going on my end. Very, very interesting. Of course, since I've not been so okay, I've been taken good care of. So that's why I'm very, very fine and very, very energetic. Fill me in. Guys, Godwin is in the building. Hi, Godwin. What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. What time from are you? Okay, so for the time frame, I'm using 15 seconds. That is for the chat. Then the expiration time, 15 seconds. The candle time, that is the candle time, that is 30 seconds. is 5 seconds. Guys, keep coming through. Fill me in. How is the day going? How has been your weekend so far? Because you find that some people are coming to the end of are already coming to the end of the week. Their day is closing. Other people, it's still morning. Just okay, some people. Other people, it is in the afternoon. Other people, they are already in bed. So how is everything going over there? Okay. All right. Thank you, Mason. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you all, guys. Thank you for coming through. And how are we doing on our chat so far? Okay, Sanjay. I'm trading on a PC. I'm trading on a PC. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh my goodness. I feel so much love. Do you know what it means for it to be that late in the night and someone is still awake just to watch me? I feel so happy. I feel so blessed. I feel so all the beautiful things there are. Be blessed, my dear one. Be blessed. Okay. You know what, Raphael? This is what I was talking about earlier. Actually, as for the strategy, I'm using price. All right. So everyone, actually, it becomes so easy and so simple for you to have certain conditions that you look at, for you to have things that you consider before you place in your entries. Okay, you find that you find that you have a strategy which is a must for any trader who wants to be profitable. Have a strategy. Know about risk management, have a trading plan, not just coming and doing things the way you please. But most importantly, make sure that you have conditions that you look out for, not just coming through and trading anyhow. On my end, I use price action as my strategy. Okay. With my price action, definitely there are certain things that I'm going to look out for. I have conditions that I master so much on my chart. Okay. When it comes to that direction, what direction am I having? Am I in an uptrend, downtrend? Am I in consolidation? What direction am I in? Very, very important. Okay, you have to understand what is going on your chart. Okay, we also look at the market structure. You have to, when you look at your chart, you have to understand, because there are things that we look out for. When we say market structure, you're going to look at certain situations. When you talk about the higher highs and the higher lows for the bullish, it does not mean that it stops at the higher highs and the higher lows. You look at that major point that actually pushes the previous high to break structure. What we are looking at so much here is break of structure. When we break structure, you are definitely going to start anticipating that we are either going to have a pullback in that particular moment, right? So you have to understand, if I'm having a pullback, what am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to handle this particular situation? understanding a pullback in market structure, very, very important, and how to go about it. When you talk about a pullback, you are definitely looking at that slide we know very well that drive out the sellers to be completely out of the market. They are there and they are the ones who are trying to put that drop in price because they are also trying to fix themselves. In pullback, we definitely watch out for the candlestick patterns that are forming after that, and then we know that we are going to have a continuation, or we know that we are going to have a reversal. When you talk about a reversal, in an uptrend, we are going to have that very, very strong pullback that is actually going to break below the previous major higher low. Once it breaks below, it is no longer termed as a pullback, but we are actually having us understanding or considering certain things in the market, having those conditions that you're going to look out for. There are very many conditions. There are very many conditions that anyone would want to look out for. But you as how can I call it? A signature, I don't know, a signature trader or something. You have to have your particular points that you look out for in the market. Okay, you have to have certain details that you look out for in the market. That's why I was saying earlier that when you are trading, all right, or even if you're not trading, but you are on your charts, you're looking at them almost all the time, things become way easier for you to understand certain things on a daily basis. Okay. So, with these different conditions, market structure, definitely we are looking at that break of structure. We are breaking structure. If we are in an uptrend, we are breaking structure. We are having a continuation, or we are breaking a structure, we are having a reversal. It all depends. You have to make sure that you understand exactly how your charts, like you will get those different signals that you need in the market, not someone coming and writing them down for you that, hey, wait for this, wait for that. Even if you have a tutor who is taking you through trading, there are certain things that you are going to sit down and you'll be like, okay, there are these 6 or 10 conditions, okay, but I believe for me to be profitable or for me to do much better, let me just take these 3, or let me just take these 5, or let me just take these 4, depending. It all depends, okay? So that's what I can say about that, all right? We have certain common things where we shall be like, okay, the alligator indicator is going to give me this signal, right? When it crosses, when the green light crosses, these are the red and the blue line. I'm going to get a signal over there. But also, you as a person, there are certain things that you need to critically look at and be like, okay, over here, if I do things this way, I become profitable. If I do them differently, then things turn out to be wrong. But at the same time, having a setup, very, very beautiful. Just make sure that you do not deviate from your setup because you think you're making a lot of losses. You find that we have a beautiful and an amazing setup, but the market is also running mad. The market is crazy. So you find that we are getting hit, okay? we are making losses. But it does not mean that rush and actually have a switch of your setup. Okay, so certain things we need to look out for, and then just make sure that we become consistent. When you have your setup, when you have your setup, you have a strategy that you are using, risk management is in play, definitely. You start seeing a difference in your trading, okay? Okay, yeah, let me see. Okay, Trevor, I practiced today. You know, when I hear or when I see that someone actually put in an effort to look at the charts, to carry out some small trading, it makes me happy because at the end of the day, we need to keep practicing. We need to keep going. We need to keep going because when you just sit there and you're doing nothing about it, where will the profits come from? Where will you know that these are the mistakes that I've been making? You know, the different mistakes that we make help us so much. They help us keep going, they help us learn more than actually what you just have on your paper. But your mind connected to your charts, fixed on your charts, all right? It helps a lot. Just imagine if you do it almost every single day. I don't know how people who are just learning, I don't know how long you spend on your charts, okay? But in my time of learning, let me tell you, the fact that I was not doing like real trading, I would spend very many hours. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. I would spend very many hours on my charts because I just want to. At some point, I reached that I forcefully wanted to understand the language of these candles. You know, the language of what my charts are speaking. So I'll take a lot of time. You find that by the time I leave, my brain is hurting, like my brain is hurting. I'm having a headache, you get. So you reach a point and then you are like, I think this is difficult, but it was actually worth it. You keep going, you keep going, you keep going. It becomes worth it after some time. Trust me. So I would spend so much time looking on my charts, and then when I leave, I go and rest. I first close that chapter now of the charts. Then, after some time, definitely I come back just to see how better I've become or what I can do better, something like that. Okay, so for someone who is a beginner, please give it time. Give it time. Just make sure that you keep pushing. You keep pushing. It's not easy. You reach a point and you feel you're so tired. Enough is enough. But at the end of the day, we need this money. Who knows what I'm talking about? We need this money. And over here in trading, no one is going to keep pushing you. Go and do this. Go and work. Go and no one is going to push you. We are self-driven, all right? Because we know exactly what we want from the market. Okay, so keep planning, keep going. We are all going to get there at the end of the day. So, Shooten, let me see what you have to say for the day. Hi, Joshua. What's up? What's up? What's up? How are you doing? Let me hope you are doing okay. Mamuna, if I trade up, market go down. Put down, go up. That that actually used to happen to me. It used to happen to me. So at some point when I just left the demo account, when I left the demo account and I came to real trading, that happened a lot. But then one thing I did not know was that is where these different conditions come in. Okay, one, you have to understand your chart. That is number one. You have to understand candlestick patterns. When a certain candle forms or when a certain pattern forms, what am I supposed to do? When I'm having an engulfing candle forming and all the other conditions are aligning, all right? Let me give an example. Of course, there you are going to look so much at market structure, candlestick formation, what is happening. Not because you are just looking at the chart and you guess that over here, let me buy or let me sell. Just first understand the language of the charts of the candlestick patterns. What are they saying? What am I looking out for? All right. If I'm in an uptrend and I've just experienced a pullback, the second candle formations, what are they telling me? Am I having green candle formations? Am I having a continuation? Or these candle are with a pullback have actually broken below the previous major higher low. If you have broken below, then that simply means that you are having a reversal. All right, it's a bit tricky, but you have to understand the language of the candlestick patterns. You have to understand it, whether you like it or not, because that is how you're going to be able to know what exactly is going on your charts. If you do not do that, you're going to keep buying and it's going to keep selling. You're going to keep buying and it's going to keep selling. So understand exactly what is happening. Understand it first. That's why I told you we do not consider one thing. Let me give an example for someone who is trading using the alligator indicator. I'm just giving an example. The alligator indicator is not enough because it's giving you signals that, hey, we might break to the downside, or we might actually have a reversal to the upside. It's giving you signals, but it does not give you confirmations. Those are some of the things that you have to understand. I use the alligator indicator fine, but it backs up my strategy. When it comes to my strategy, let me tell you, with a condition of market direction, what direction am I in? Just give it some time. If you are in an uptrend, we have something we call strength of trend. How strong is this particular direction that you're in? Or how is the momentum? Are we having that bullish momentum? Are we having that bearish momentum? Okay. How strong is that particular trend that you are in? And then, of course, if it's good or strong enough, that is when you just buy with a trend. Okay. But of course, candlestick formation, very, very important. So you do not just come and then you are like, okay, I'm in an uptrend you start buying. There are conditions or there are situations that you have to keep considering for you to actually turn out to be profitable. Okay, so market direction, market structure, candlestick patterns. Make sure that you understand what you have to consider before entering into the market. On my end, the candlestick patterns refine my entries. Okay, so if I'm having certain candlestick patterns engulfing candles, I'm having maybe a hammer and I know how to use it, a shooting star, I know how to use it. I'm having rejection candles, I know how to go about them. Looking at the momentum, there are things that you have to always consider for you to turn out to be profitable. Not just coming and thinking that, okay, right now I got it. There is looking at it that we are moving in an uptrend, but then we are going to have a pullback or definitely a pullback. We are going to have a pullback formation in that particular moment. So all those things you have to keep anticipating. You have to be alert. You have whenever you go into the market, keep alert. Be alert. No sleeping on job. No sleeping on job. All right. Like I said, when we are in a particular trend, it does not mean that it's going to move straight. Okay, it doesn't. Beautiful setup over there. It doesn't mean that we are going to move in a straight line. We are going to have, we are going to anticipate pullbacks forming, all right? Yeah, that's what I can say. Okay. Okay. Trevor, that's amazing. That's amazing. Actually, one thing you can do is understand things your own way. Understand things your own way. Can I tell you something? I think I have a challenge. You know, someone can tell me something here, and then on my end, I have to go back in my small corner. I go through it personally. When I go through it personally, I turn out to understand it much better. Like understand trading in your own way. There are major factors or there are major points that we shall keep sharing that um, are universal, but there are certain points that you have to understand in your own way. All right. That's why being consistent, very beautiful, very beautiful. Okay, so that is for Maeve, and we have a close in a plus. Okay, so that simply means that we are closing off. We are closing off the week for Maeve on a positive note. So let's go. Yeah, that is a congratulations. Hi, Lekala, what's up, what's up, what's up? Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. How has been your weekend? How is everything going on? How is everything going on? How is work? How is trading? All right. Fill me in. Fill me in. Okay, hi Nish. Hi Nish, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. Okay. Alexander, what's up? What's up? Good to have you guys. Ali, I see you over there. Faisal, good to have you. Good to have you. Mason is in the building from Uzbekistan. Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Okay. Thank you, thank you. Adam's over there. I see you Friday. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Guys, we keep going and we are taking it for 3 atoms. We are still in an uptrend over here. Let's see. That is beautiful. Okay. That is our second attempt. Let's go. Okay. Over. Let's keep going. We keep going, guys. Still moving down. Over there. Beautiful. Congratulations. That is to Julian. Congratulations, my dear. Joe. Oh dear. So sorry about that. So sorry about that. That is so unfortunate. Oh dear. That's so sad. That's so sad. Today I'm getting sad news from you guys. That's not good at all. But just do not soak in it, alright? Do not soak in the sadness. Try to hold yourself up. Try to hold yourself up and then start small. Start small. Definitely do not forget about risk management. Make sure that you apply it in every way. Transporting to the ground. Let's see. Transporting. I know. That's what goes through our minds whenever we have made those drastic losses. What keeps coming to our minds is, where is the fault? Where did I go wrong? What didn't I do right? So those are the questions that we always have. But one thing I can tell you is that do not come back to the market and do revenge trading. All right. When you make losses, let me give an example. You carried out, sorry about that. Let me give an example. You carried out 10 trades, all right? And of those 10 trades, you managed to get just three pluses or three wins. That simply means that you made great losses. Do not come back to the market thinking or warning the market that today when I come, you're going to see what is going to happen, all right? Or just wait for me and you're going to see exactly who I am. The market does not know that language. It doesn't. I'm telling you, it doesn't. The market understands the language of someone knowing the skill, someone having the knowledge, okay? Uh, you having the knowledge, understanding exactly what you have to do, how you're supposed to do it in the market. That's all the market looks out for. So that simply means that we also have to be smart. We have to make sure that we handle things in a certain way, not just coming because yesterday the account was blown. Maybe you have gotten some more money to put on your account. You got some capital to continue trading and then you want to do things in your own way. Okay, beautiful. Let's go. That is for Vex. And Vex, we have profits over here. Forever. Hi Angie. Hi Angie. What's up? What's up? Oh my goodness. It has really been long. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. You're welcome, my Lekala. Just know it's not easy. I cannot say that, hey, wake up, get back on your feet. It's not easy. It's not easy. But at the end of the day, we just have to keep knowing why we came into trading. Okay. Just make sure that you take it slow. Take it slow. At the end of the day, no one is waiting for us to tell us you're late. Why didn't you work 5 hours? Why didn't you work 8 hours? At my former place of work, you be there and then why are you late? When you want to leave early, why do you want to leave early? So, but in trading, sorry, but in trading, you are the keeper of yourself. You know when to come in, when to trade, when you feel you're not emotionally stable and you feel you need some time to first relax. So that is it. Okay. Hi, Joseph. I'm doing amazing. I'm doing amazing. I feel great. How about you? How are you doing? How is your day going? What's the only thing I'm thinking of? I'm thinking of making profit, so I do not know why the sellers are running against me. I don't understand it. Mhm. Okay, hi Kofi. Hi Kofi, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Oh my goodness. How are you doing today? How is your dear life? How is everything over there? Let me hope you're doing amazing. Okay, that is our first attempt for Pranab. Let's see. Let us give it a second attempt and we'll see. Yeah, I know that I'm crazy. Be my baby love. Zafara, good to have you, good to have you. How are you doing today? In the morning when I'm waking up, feeling that I'm crazy. Be my baby love. Mm-hmm. Be my baby love. Mm-hmm. It's beautiful. Oh, goodness, goodness, goodness. Hmm. Oh, goodness, that's not good at all. Even our second attempt, we have a closing a loss. I do not like it. Today we came to make some money for ourselves. My apologies, so sorry about that. That is for Pranab. So sorry, so sorry. Now I know. Okay, so next we have Vela 500. Okay, so let us see. That is our first attempt. We are looking at 4,000 as our take profit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Pranab, my sincere apologies. Today we've not made it. Probably maybe next time. We just have to keep positive and definitely knowing that if something has not gone right today in our trading, next time it will definitely we anticipate that it will turn out to be okay and all right. Hi, Sammy. Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing today? Michael, I see you over there. Thank you for coming through. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oof. That is for Vela as well. Not good at all. Not good at all. Okay, so let us see how it's going to turn out. Hi, Daniel. How you doing? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. I'm here and the market is trying to play on my mind. It's trying to play on my mind. Colton, 2 atoms. Let's see. I'm doing great, Daniel. Just here into the donations. Guys, for the donations link, it's in my description over there. You can check it out. Okay, so just one more. Okay. So for Colton, okay, so for that is for Colton over there. Let me withdraw. Let me withdraw to his wallet. Fire up your lights on. You make me feel like For Anonymous, 300. Let's see. Start to shine. Fire up your light and you make me feel you make me feel. Whenever I start to fade, fire up your lights and you make me feel you make me feel. Hey. The way it switched, the way it switched and the buyers just came into the everybody look to the left, everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? We're paying with love tonight. It's all about money. Okay, so let us try it out. Let us try it out and listen. Okay, so Andrew for the MACD settings. MACD settings and actually the alligator indicator as well. I'm at default settings. Okay. Yes. That is Tavian over there. Hi Tavian, good to have you, good to have you. How are you doing? Oh dear, oh no. And the way that flipped up, not good at all. I've lost for Anonymous as well. Not good at all. My apologies. So Tavian, I was still telling you, I'm actually trading, as you see on my chart over there, I'm having a gold OTC chart. Okay, when I talk about the OTC markets, I'm talking about open markets. That simply means that they are open 24 throughout, okay, 24 hours. And definitely when I talk about them being open, that simply means that I go away from Monday to Monday. They are open. I am not limited by the weekends or the public holidays. And I'm using a platform called Pocket Option Broker. That is the platform that I'm trading on. All right. So that's why you're seeing that I'm able to trade on a weekend. Yet most markets, you're right, most markets are closed on Fridays, right? So you find that most traders over the weekends are resting, waiting for the new week to begin. So on my end, I'm trading binary options. When I'm on Pocket Option Broker, definitely I'm trading binary options and I am having an open market. Okay, I'm having an open market, so I'm free to trade. I'm free to trade throughout the week for as long as if you feel like you want I mean for as long as I'm on I'm on pocket option, okay, and you can check it out actually. Maybe you could be trading your other trades throughout the week and then over the weekend. Why not make some money for yourself? But for me, I specifically trade binary options throughout. You find that people who are trading forex, there are people who are trading crypto. I was actually a crypto trader. I was a crypto trader, but I switched to binary options, all right? So with that, I'm able to trade throughout the week. Okay, hi Sammy. What's up? What's up? Okay, what indicator? What indicator is that? That is alligator indicator that you see over there. Okay, thank you, Tavian. We'll be happy to see you come through always. I'm telling you, Andrew, that is very, very true. You know, you make your analysis and then the switch that happens shocks you. So, that happens, that happens. Okay, hi Abel, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. For the strategy, I'm actually using pure price action. That is the one that I'm using. Actually talked about it earlier in the beginning of the session, but in price action as my strategy, I focus so much on understanding the particular direction that I'm in, then also market structure. I refine my entries with candlestick patterns. I do not complicate it. I make sure that it's short and simple, right? So when you continuously do your very best to understand those conditions that you have to look out for before you place in your entries, things end up being easy. But every single day I come live. That is 3 p.m. Canadian time. So just hit that like button for me and subscribe. Definitely, we shall be locked in together every single day. All right. Okay. Let's go. Thank you, Khalif. Thank you so much. That is pocket option. Okay, so that will be just one more attempt to go. Okay, to each and every one of us, good to have you guys. Good to have you guys. Papa over there, I see you. I see you. Thank you for coming through. Guys, you're all most welcome. Good to have you. Good to have you. Trusting God. Hi, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Classic Duke is in the building. Hi, Classic Duke. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Sanjay, Vanakam. How is your day going? How is the weekend? We are closing the weekend, guys. How has it been? Let me hope it has been okay. Let me hope it has been fruitful. We have a few people over here who are really, really not okay. Their accounts were blown. So sad. But at the end of the day, let us enter into the week with beautiful and positive energy, and then we see how the week is going to turn out. That is beautiful. Ooh. Swalala. Okay, so that is for Ian, 4 items, and we have profits. Papua New Guinea. Good to have you. Good to have you, Mavis. Good to have you. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. 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 Thank you, MD. Thank you. Namaste, namaste, my beautiful brother, all the way from India. Good to have you. Good to have you. That is Bitcoin. Congratulations once again, Ian. Personal, you're right. And it's a feeling that I can't explain. How you make it in your team still stay the same. Stay down from the jump and they never change. Man, it's a moment I could never trade. Yeah, I told my moms not to stress no more. Go hit the Bentley store and no credit card debts no more. I bought the crib and it's an escrow now, so you don't never have to worry about how you gon' pay rent no more. I put my team in position, now they making a killing. Stacking blue faces straight to the ceiling. Yes, Sanjay, I definitely did. Demi, hi, what's up? good life, in a good life. No, we pass, no, we alright. Eh, eh, eh. Let's see for duck. That is 2000. I put my heart into this game like I open my chest. We only pray for more M's while you hope for the best. We make these plays, but I'm finessing these checks. Time's up for everybody, I'm collecting Odets. And I swear this champagne just tastes better on jets. I'm just out here being Jambel, what's up, what's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Batsy, Ande, I see you over there. Good to have you all. That's true, Sanjay. I've actually missed you so much. I've missed you so much. This week I've not been so okay health wise. So that's why I've been on and off, on and off. But at least now I feel so energetic. I feel so amazing. And definitely, I believe for this coming new week, we are going to keep moving. Our numbers were increasing, but I think because of my on and off. But this starting week, I'm ready for you guys. We are going all the way. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. Living a good life. Thank you, trusting God. Thank you, trusting God for lifting. That is an amazing name. That is a beautiful name, by the way. Very beautiful name. Okay, and Amy saying first time meeting you, loving it. Ooh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Thank you, my darling. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Just subscribe and then we keep it here every single day. 3 p.m. Canadian time. We are always here live for 2 hours every single day. All right. For 2 hours, my session goes for 2 hours. That is from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Canadian time. So just keep showing up. Let us keep learning, get some tips about trading. We share our experiences, we share ideas, right? So keep coming through. I will definitely love it. Beautiful. Okay. Happy now. Sometimes when I think about you, always been keeping me out. Hey, hey. Oh, goodness. Look at this. This is not good. Not good at all. Whew. I don't like it. But what to do? Let's keep going. Hi, Video Truck. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. It has been a while. Today, Video Truck is on. Marady is on. Lekala is also on. Actually, I saw Marady on the other channel. That's where I saw him. Okay, so thank you guys for coming through. Thank you for coming through, guys. To each and every one of you who is on right now, who is watching, I really do appreciate you. I really do appreciate you. Thank you so, so much. That's true, Sanjay. We keep going. Let us keep going. Give me my ring. She be like now, she wants to ring. I think at this point, let me keep motivating myself. Yes, Sanjay, 1.1 to get to. Okay, let's go. Okay. Vida track is doing okay. That's amazing. That's amazing. Doing your thing. Okay. That is for Cobaltine. Cobaltine. Elephants. All right, Video Truck is in the building, and definitely he is doing what he does best. Thank you, my dear one. Thank you, my brother Video Truck. Okay. All right, remember we are looking at 4,000. All-time fave. Hi, my brother. How are you doing? All right. Hi, Charles. Hi, Charles. What's up? What's up? What's up? Keep you happy now. She motivate. Let's go. Congratulations. Congratulations. All right. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Do you know, guys, most of the times when I'm in those vibes, we definitely close in pluses. So let me keep in my vibes. Let's go. Okay. Hi, Alex. Hi, Alex. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay. I'm telling you, Sanjay, since I'm on medication, I need to be taking at least some water here and there. Godfrey is in the building. Hi, Godfrey. What's up? What's up? Rufus, I see you over there. Thank you, video track. Definitely. Let us keep going, guys. Let us keep going, guys. You're putting me in with my dad and I'm a sin, but my credit me no one but the phone on my shirt. Yeah, I'm mad about your girl and I'm blind, but you're blue for a man. You love your everything. You love your everything. You got me really busy. You love your everything. The smile is everything. I know full of a style to the turn. You me love your everything. Me love your everything. Your remote can't change my mind. You me love your everything. Me don't know I want to red me. I just see me while I wine. Then let that girl. There's something, nothing. There's something, awfully. There's something, nothing. Baby, enemy. Okay. Something I keep your body on fleek. Admission I'm not free, you know me. High some me up me money. Every time what the best. I want you wine, feel it. Okay, so let us go. Let us go. That is for Zobel. 2 atoms. There's something of it. There's something of it. Ooh, there's something of it. Ooh, me love you everything. Me love you everything. You give me reason to sing. Me love you everything. Your smile is everything. I don't pull up and stand to the front. Me love you every time. Me love you every time. Your remote can change my mind. Me love you every time. I don't know what to read me. Okay, let's get started. All right, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Beautiful, beautiful. Remember, we are taking it for just 2 items for Zobel. Hi, Lucky. How are you doing? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. How is your Sunday going? How is everything over that side? Okay. Thank you, Sanjay. Amira. Yes, I am a full-time trader. I am a full-time trader, my dear. That's what I signed up for. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Congratulations, Zobel. Really, really, really. West Hunt. All right, all right, all right. Thank you guys for the compliments. Thank you. Okay, 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 okay. Oh my goodness. Mhm. Yeah. Okay, so that over there will be our last list for the donations. Let me put it there. That's beautiful. Okay, so that will be the last one. Let's go. Um, Amira. Oh, DJ System. Hi, DJ System. What's up? What's up? Good to have you in the building. How is my son doing? I now own. I own Video Tracks Baby Boy. All right. Our boy is called Israel. For anyone who did not get the name, he is called Israel. So, okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Baby Israel is doing amazing. Yeah, man. Okay. I see you over there. Good to have you, Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Okay, so that was Amira over there. Are you maintaining to depending, I think on Mark D or slightly confirm with the alligator indicator? I'm having these indicators over here. I actually mainly use the alligator indicator to back up my strategy. I have a strategy which is price action, all right? So I just use the indicators to back up my strategy. I do not use them as them alone, but I use them actually to back up what I have from my strategy. Okay, with the alligator indicator, I'm just getting signals. Okay, but I have confluences that I actually proceed with or that I use for my confirmations. My entries are refined by the candlestick patterns. So with the indicators, they are just backing up They are backing up my strategy that I'm using to trade. I do not depend on them alone. Okay, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Mano, hi Mano, what's up? What's up? Good to have you in the building. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you. Good to have you. Really? That's actually true. 5 seconds. It makes sense. I think maybe. Yes, they are all at default set. Yes, they are both at default setting. Muzahid, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. D guy, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you in the building. Good to have you in the building. Mano, I think Mano J. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. You don't got no label. She say she want bottles. She ain't got no table. She don't got no bed frame. She don't got no tables. We just watching Netflix. She ain't got no cable. Okay, though. Look, I'm the plug for her. She want a nigga that pull her hair and hold the door for her. Baby, that's only me. But she don't give me. Baby, okay, though. You're looking at the truth, the money never lie, no. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one early morning in the dark. Know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. Okay, so with our continuation over there, we are having a bullish continuation. So closing applause. I'm the one. I'm the only one. I'm the one. I'm the only one. Okay, congratulations, guys. Oh my god. I'm the one, I'm the only one. Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. Okay, 5 items for Thorn. Let's go. Our first item is a plus. Ring, ring, ring. I'll be okay. After every season, there is a reason. Excuse me. So 3 more to go. Sorry about that.
Just like the sun on the horizon. And even when it rains, I'm enlightened. Oh, you're so sexy and your waist are sweet.
All right. Guys, like I keep saying, one thing you should know about, one thing you should always put in your mind is that risk management is one of the factors that you should know about, that you should carry with you wherever you go. Risk management helps so much. It helps you to protect your account, to protect your funds, to protect your money on your account, all right? So make sure that whenever you are going to trade, you are putting in something that you are willing to lose, all right? Even for the donations, same applies. Send me something that you are willing to lose, not your last savings. I always keep talking about that. Not your last savings, hoping that Lena will make profits out of them. That is very possible. Making profits out of them, it's very, very possible. But also look at the negative side. What if it does not turn out the way I anticipated it to be? What if I close in a loss? So make sure that you look at all those possibilities before you send in your last savings. Okay, so that's why I keep encouraging you guys so much to always send in something that you are willing to lose. All right. Yeah, that is my small advice in regards to risk management. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is for Thorn. Congratulations.
Mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning.
Okay, so we have just one more participant left. Okay.
I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory.
One more to go, guys. One more to go. And definitely our time is almost up. So let us see for our last participant. I'm telling you. Hi, Stefan. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you in the building. Good to have you in the building. Hope you're doing okay. How is your weekend? How is your weekend? How has it been? I believe you guys are about to close for the day. You're about to close for the day. So how has your weekend been? Any beautiful plans for the new week? All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Stephen. Thank you. Gloria, I see you. Hi, Gloria. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you in the building. So let us get started. Just two items. Mr. G, Entertainment. Good to have you. Good to have you. Abe, I see you over there. Good to have you. You here. That's lovely. You are most welcome. You are most welcome. We are all so happy to receive you, to have you around here. Just make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe as well. Just make sure that at least every single day we are together. That is 3 p.m. Canadian time, and my session goes strictly for 2 hours. Hey, hey, hey. I always love closing in a plus, but the sellers also did not want it to be that way. Okay, so guys, that is a close for our donations. Thank you so much, and definitely I will be summarizing and closing it here. Oh, so sorry about that, Stefan. Let's pray. Let us pray that this next one is a successful one. All right. All right. Okay. And less hectic. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. It was such a lovely session. I will see you tomorrow. Too much love from you, girl, Lena, over here. Bye bye. Okay.